Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and having both active SIMs ready. This prevents mid-setup surprises. Once done, power off the phone to avoid hardware conflicts, then insert the physical SIMs into the correct trays or install the eSIM profile through settings. Make sure you note which slot is slot 1 and slot 2 so you can assign defaults later. You do this now because accurate physical placement and activation speed up the network negotiation that follows. Once your SIMs are in, go to mobile or cellular settings to assign which SIM handles voice, text, and mobile data. This controls billing and performance. Then set each SIM's preferred network type. Choose 5G or LTE for faster data or 3G if coverage is better, to optimize battery and signal. Make sure to enter or verify APN/MMS settings for each carrier so data and picture messaging work. If you plan to travel, enable data roaming selectively to avoid unexpected charge. You finish by testing. Place calls and browse on each SIM to confirm voice and data routing. Once verified, assign per app SIM usage where the OS allows so email or maps use the correct line. If one SIM won't register or data fails, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, and then reset network settings as a targeted fix. This clears stale carrier configs while preserving most personal data. If still blocked, contact the carrier with your IMEI and SIM details for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.